But you gotta be there for me too.
Hey, it's Kyrra, welcome back to my channel. So today we're having an ultimate NERF. The ultimate NERF gun challenge. We each have a NERF gun. 3 of us will have cameras. No, stop it! So basically we're doing a point system. Say Kyrra hits me, I get a point. So the person with the least amount of points wins. And you have to count your own, and it's kind of an honesty system kind of thing. So I actually forgot to mention, and we've already started, but the winner wins a phone given to them by me. So, fun.
Just cut this, edit this out bit. Okay.
We'll edit this out bit.
Yeah, whatever it's called.
Yeah, everyone load up their guns.
I'm trying to take mine out of the box still.
And I put it in a bun. 3, 2, 1, go! I've got nowhere to go, everyone split! Our bullets just hit each other and rebounded off each other. I feel like I'm in a safety zone right here. I've got the screen behind. Oh! Ow! Oh god. Oh no! Oh, I have to reload my gun with like one hand. No! I feel like getting shot while reloading is unfair. Everyone got the good spots and I'm just out in the open. Ah! How did you miss that?
I'm so bad at this.
I feel like Nerf guns need to have more. Need to be able to hold more bullets. Me and Lily just truced. I don't know if this is going to work or not. We're just going to see how this goes. Another 5 minutes, the person with the most points will be disqualified.
That's interesting. Hello.
Hello. No. I think we're both just really bad at aiming. I almost shot Mum. I'm like, is that Mim? Nope. My bullets don't even go that far.
Oh god, no! You were supposed to be here! Were you reloading?
No.
Oh my god, does that count? Hey. Oh jeez, no! Nowhere is safe!
Oh yes. No one's been using this bullet stock. Just stands behind the plastic.
That's good. Let's do this. Hello? We can be friends, right? Oh jeez! Mim, look out behind you. It's just my window. We're gonna eliminate each other at this point! Who has the most points? I have 7. I have 8. 5. What? How many do you have? 7. 0!
Mim's winning.
Yes, yes, 5.
That's one person out. Kyrra. Goodbye.
Don't shoot me, I'm a spectator! Well, I'm now in control of how the game plays out and how the next person gets eliminated. 4 guns have been hidden around the map, and if you can find a gun, you basically kill everyone.
How does the next person get eliminated?
So, what happens is, the person with the least amount of points at the end of this gets to decide one other person to be eliminated.
Oh!
5 seconds to run and 5. Okay, well, go, I guess. 5. I like knowing that Kyrra just ran past a gun in a real spot. Okay.
What was that? I'm getting a jumper. What's the
What is it? I don't know how to work the camera. Stop, just kidding. No!
Where's it? Where? 7. 6. 5.
I feel like Mib's in the lead. Either that or Lily's in the lead. Kyrra's definitely losing. Last time I checked, she was on 5. You were on 7 last time I checked.
I'm still going for Kyrra?
Yeah.
Okay.
What happens if you shoot Kyrra?
Nothing! Nothing happened!
So, Lily won. Lily, get in the shot. This was a lot of fun.
Hey, Kyrra, get good.
Wait. Oh, mine went over the fence again. Oh my gosh, my nerve bullet went over. I'm gonna try and find out where this bullet is while those two do whatever they're doing. I've gotta walk through this. The key is to not touch the barbed wire fence and to also like not stand on a snake. Oh!
Did you step on a bird?
I have no idea what I stepped on, but it cracked like an egg. Frog eggs? Yeah, it was a snail. So now we get to find the rest of the bullets.
How many were there?
There were a lot. There are 82 bullets somewhere in the yard.
I didn't get
Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
59, 60, 64.
Are you serious? How many did we need?
80.
But you gotta be there for me too.